Everything all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right, just making sure. Hey, Hoka Hey, wait a minute.
You're Jay, right?
Yeah.
Chris.
What's up?
How you doing? It's good.
Good. I forgot your name.
Chris Lumaghini.
Chris, all right.
We were talking the other day.
Yeah.
You told me you only knew 2 people that went down that road.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's actually where I'm headed.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got the right bike for it.
Yep.
So.
How long are you in town?
I'm just passing through. I'm doing a rat ride.
Oh, all right, right around Texas?
Yeah, right around Texas.
Damn, good for you, man. Hardcore.
Yeah, trying.
You on schedule?
For the most part, yeah. I mean, I should come in under 70 hours.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet. Well, here's the bike.
That's a 21.
Sweet.
That's a 21.
Yeah, I'm out collecting churches for the mile monster.
Yeah, I got my flag on the back right there.
Yeah.
I just pull it down when it's...
Are you're heading that way?
Yeah, I'm heading that way.
There's 2 in Redford.
Gotcha.
All right. If you turn off to Redford, I think they're building one. Yeah. Then there's one that used to be a church that's now been converted. Yeah. But it used to be a church, so I'm gonna try and count it. And then up the road from there, maybe a mile, there's another one on the right.
Gotcha.
And then Presidio. But yeah, I'm going.
There's so many of them that I pass. Man, did you see that email that came out, the message on Facebook?
About Carl?
200 and something
in one day?
In one day?
Yeah, holy smokes.
That's a lot of on and off the bike right there.
Hey man, gotta give you one of these. It's my old sticker, but it's still a sticker.
All right, it's the sticker, right?
Yeah. Hot damn. Woohoo! Awesome. Sweet. All right, man. Well, good luck.
Same to you. Be
Yeah.
careful out there.
Yeah, 6-hour day. Not like your day, but
yeah,
a lot of mine's gonna be shitty.
I started late today. I rode till like 3 in the morning last night, so it was tough getting through. You know, I started in Texarkana, and it was tough getting through Houston and on the ferry and all that good stuff. So it was kind of a time killer, but I'll make it up today.
I gotta get a selfie, man. Got the bike in there. All right, awesome. All right, I think I'm good. Rolling.
It's good to meet you in person.
Yep. You need water or anything?
Nah, I'm good.
All right.
I got that. I might get out of the sweat though.
Well, if you got my number, if you need anything in the area, just let me know. If you break down or something, I got a trailer and everything.
Okay.
All right, go.
Thank you.
How awesome is that, man? Sweet. Ah. That was freaking awesome. He's doing a ride around Texas. And man, that's a hell of a ride, man. All right, onward. All right, caught up to it. Yay! Groovy. My second Hoka Hey rider I've been on this road. I met Chris Hopper on this road. What he is doing is 100,000 and 108. Pretty awesome. You don't make a whole lot of good time on this road, especially with tourists Can't figure out what he's listening to. Got no cell service, so my Spotify's not working. This is so awesome. Let's not run into him. Mustard action going on there. Keep it between the mustard and the mayonnaise. Probably split off at Redford. I don't know if he's getting a detour down there to get those churches or not. Fixing to split up here. I gotta take a left and do some stupid stuff in some dirt. He's gonna continue on. Yeah, he's cruising. Alright, have fun, man. I doubt I catch up with you again. Oh, here we go.